Hello everybody, how are you? It's Friday, happy Friday. It's another beautiful sunny day in Vancouver and another beautiful quarantine day for all of us. So here I am doing my, usual weekly thing, building a homemade ceiling installation because, if I wasn't doing that, then it would have been a very difficult time for me. So I have also dressed up. I'm wearing a dress and have done my makeup, and I just feel so much better. I have meditated this morning. I have worked out with a little YouTube video person that I follow, the body coach it's called, if you choose to go ahead and follow him. And I feel so good. So I wanted to pop in and do an installation. It's also Good Friday, so I just wanted to spread some love and light and prayers and good thoughts and happy just energy out there by building this installation. So I hope you enjoy it, and let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you want to see anything specific, and we'll get right into it. I'm using some dried goodies that I have, so this time it won't be lasting 24 hours. It's going to be lasting quite a bit. And I also have some good yellow beautiful mimosas and whatnot that I'm going to use to bring a little bit of spring and Easter and joy and happiness. I may add a little bit of pink, but we'll see. So let's get right into it. Thank you so much for watching, and let's begin. Also, I wanted to mention it's the same chicken wire roll that I've made for the cherry blossom video. I'm gonna tag it, you can just watch it. If you haven't seen it already, we're using the wires to hold the chicken wire, and I have 2 hooks up in the ceiling. The hooks are not too big, so I can't go something super heavy on it, but we'll see. I'm gonna try to push it a little bit more this time. And also, because they're dry flowers, they're lighter anyway. You can use fish lines so it doesn't show the wire, but again, when I initially made it, I didn't have the fish lines, so I brought it to show you. And you can pretty much go ahead and stick the flowers right in, and just keep building from there. I'm going to start with some yellow sedums. They're dried, and I'm just going to start building my base, and then I'll just keep building furthermore. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to go right in and let them sit wherever I want them to sit, just for the base. And yes, they're going to be long, but I'm going to go ahead and cut them afterwards as I'm building to get a sense of what I'm doing. Okay, let's just continue. So here it is. What do you think? You love it? I truly do love it. I did have a lot of smaller flowers, so it took me a bit longer to like fill it up comparing to the cherry blossom one. And I have to mention that it is a one-sided thing because at the back there's a lot of stems showing. So obviously I didn't have enough, stuff to like fill it. But it is a one-way arrangement anyway. Yeah, I do love it. I think it's just grown on me. I love that I have some stuff coming out of it, so it's not just too like tight. It's actually my mom's birthday and they're coming over. I know it's the the isolation and quarantine time, but I've been seeing them anyway, so they just need a little bit of a change of scenery, so they're gonna come here and we're gonna celebrate here. So I wanted to create something special so we can take some family photos with. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it, and subscribe if you like the videos. Like, comment, let me know what else you'd like to see. I will be more than happy and more than honored to create whatever you guys want to see, hopefully if I have the right product for it. Have a good one. I'm going to do a quick little detailed video for you guys so you can see what it all looks like. Thank you so much. Love you. Show you guys the very back of it because it's not too pretty. So it is definitely a one-sided kind of an arrangement. Hope you liked it.